In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and insert placeholder text in Microsoft Word, specifically for Office 365. Placeholder text is useful when you're designing a document, creating templates, or preparing forms. It allows you to visualize the layout and structure of your document without having to enter the final content. Microsoft Word provides a quick way to insert placeholder text so you can focus on formatting and design. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word. Place your cursor where you want the placeholder text to appear. Microsoft Word includes a built-in function called lorem ipsum that generates sample text automatically. To use this feature, type the formula equals lorem, open parentheses, p, s, close parentheses, and then press Enter. In this formula, p stands for the number of paragraphs and s represents the number of sentences per paragraph. For example, typing equals lorem 3, 5 will generate 3 paragraphs of text, each containing 5 sentences. Another method to insert placeholder text is by using the rand function. Type equals rand, open parentheses, p, s, close parentheses, and then press Enter. This will generate English sample text based on Microsoft Word's built-in sentences. For example, equals rand 2, 4 will create 2 paragraphs, each with 4 sentences, giving you realistic text to test the layout of your document. This method is helpful if you want generic text without using the Latin lorem ipsum. You can also customize the placeholder text after inserting it. Once the text appears, you can format it like any regular content. Change the font, size, color, or paragraph spacing to match your intended style. This is especially useful when designing templates or documents that will later be filled with real content. For documents like forms, you can also create your own custom placeholders. Simply type descriptive text such as "Enter name here" or "Insert address here" and format it in italics or a different color to distinguish it from the main content. This helps users know where to input information while keeping the structure clear. Using these methods, you can quickly add placeholder text to any Word document, helping you plan your layout, test formatting, and prepare templates efficiently. And that's how you create and insert placeholder text in Microsoft Word Office 365. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.